The Cadillac Escalade is about to head into its 7th model year on the exact same basic design it launched with, and Cadillac hasn't said one official word about what comes next. That silence is exactly the story here, because everyone in the industry agrees a replacement is coming, and nobody outside Cadillac actually knows anything concrete about it yet. Let's start with what's real and confirmed right now, because there's more happening around this car than the quiet suggests. It helps to remember what the Escalade actually built before getting into what might replace it. Cadillac launched the very first Escalade back in 1998, largely as a rushed answer to the Lincoln Navigator, which had caught the brand flat-footed in a segment nobody at Cadillac had taken seriously yet. What started as a defensive move became something much bigger. The Escalade went on to become a genuine cultural symbol well beyond the car world, showing up constantly in music and film as shorthand for arrival and success. And that crossover appeal is a huge part of why it still outsells every full-size luxury SUV rival today, including the Lincoln Navigator, the Lexus LX, the BMW X7, and the Jeep Grand Wagoneer. The current 5th-generation Escalade launched for 2021, and it's been the best-selling full-size luxury SUV in America for years running. The kind of dominance that makes a company genuinely cautious about touching a winning formula. For 2027, Cadillac isn't redesigning it, but it is trimming the lineup down, cutting the entry-level base trim entirely and dropping rear-wheel drive versions of the Platinum Luxury and Platinum Sport trims, leaving those top trims four-wheel drive only. Small moves, but they're confirmed, and they show Cadillac actively managing this generation rather than just letting it coast unchanged toward retirement. There's a bigger, genuinely confirmed piece of context that matters here too, and it says something about the mood inside the company right now. Cadillac's parent company has explicitly recommitted to combustion engine vehicles as part of its broader lineup, with GM's own CEO confirming a wave of redesigned gas-powered Cadillacs arriving between spring of 2027 and the end of 2028, including new generations of the CT5 sedan, the XT5 crossover, and the returning XT6. Escalade wasn't named specifically in that announcement, but it tells you plainly that Cadillac isn't abandoning gas engines for its lineup the way an EV-only strategy would suggest. Whatever comes next for Escalade, it's landing inside a company that just told investors combustion still has a real future in its showrooms. It also helps to look at what Cadillac has already done with the electric side of this nameplate, since it's the closest thing to a preview of where the brand's design language is headed. The Escalade IQ, a fully electric version built from the ground up on its own dedicated platform rather than a converted gas chassis, is already out and on sale, currently offering up to 750 horsepower in its highest performance mode, and a curved display stretching nearly the full width of the dashboard. Whatever the next gas Escalade ends up looking like inside, the IQ is the clearest hint Cadillac has given anyone about the direction the brand wants its flagship SUVs to move in next. The current lineup also still includes the Escalade V, the supercharged gas performance flagship packing a 6.2-liter V8 good for well over 600 horsepower. And Cadillac has actually been putting it head-to-head against the electric Escalade IQ in official comparison testing, letting the two flagships race each other rather than pretending one has quietly replaced the other. That's a small but telling signal. Cadillac still sees real value in a proper gas-powered performance halo alongside its electric one, which makes it reasonable to expect whatever replaces today's Escalade will keep a V-badged version in the mix rather than quietly retiring it in favor of electric power alone.
So that's the real, confirmed backdrop. And it's more substantial than the total silence on the redesign itself might suggest. Now here's the honest truth about that redesign. Essentially, nothing about it has been confirmed by Cadillac at all. Start with timing, because even that is a projection, not a promise from anyone at the company. Order guide data shows the Escalade continuing as a carryover model again for 2027, meaning the current body and interior stick around for at least one more year beyond the trim changes already mentioned. Industry watchers, going purely off the typical 7 to 8 year life cycle a full-size SUV like this usually gets, are projecting a full redesign landing somewhere around 2028 or 2029. That estimate is built entirely on pattern matching against how long previous Escalade generations lasted, not on anything Cadillac has stated about its own plans. Treat any specific model year you see attached to the next Escalade as an educated guess, because that's precisely what it is. Design speculation is even thinner right now. Nobody has published spy shots of a camouflaged next-generation Escalade prototype, and Cadillac hasn't released so much as a teaser sketch. The most reasonable expectation, based purely on how Cadillac has handled past Escalade redesigns, is evolution rather than reinvention. This is a nameplate whose entire identity is built on an unmistakable, commanding presence, and Cadillac has never been the brand to gamble that away on a radical departure. Don't expect anything that looks unrecognizable as an Escalade. Expect a sharper, more modern take on a shape that already works. There's also a real business reason for Cadillac to move carefully here rather than rushing a redesign out. This single nameplate carries an outsized share of the brand's profit and reputation, and getting a change wrong on the vehicle most responsible for Cadillac's entire full-size image would be a far more expensive mistake than simply waiting an extra model year to get it right. The bigger open question isn't styling at all. It's mechanical identity. Given how much technology Cadillac has already poured into the electric Escalade IQ, and given GM's plans to roll out a new shared computing and artificial intelligence architecture across gas and electric models alike starting around 2027 and 2028, there's a reasonable case that the next gas Escalade could borrow meaningfully from the IQ's cabin technology and software, even while keeping a traditional engine under the hood. That's a logical connection to draw given the timing lines up, not a confirmed plan. So hold it loosely. Here's where this one honestly sits. An icon nameplate is overdue for its next act by every normal industry measure. Cadillac has quietly kept the current generation fresh with real trim changes while staying completely silent on what replaces it. And the broader company has just confirmed gas Cadillacs have a real future worth investing in. What that means specifically for the next Escalade, in terms of styling, technology, or even a firm year, remains a complete blank slate right now. This is about as early as pre-reveal coverage gets, which also means it's the earliest anyone's going to be watching for the signs that actually matter. The first mule sighting, the first patent filing, the first offhand comment from a Cadillac executive that slips out before the official plan is ready. None of that exists yet. Subscribe if you want to be there the moment any of it finally shows up, because with a car this significant to the brand, the first real clue is going to move fast once it lands.